We'll now investigate the formula for the volume of a circular cylinder, what you might more commonly think of as a can. In Part A, draw a circular cylinder that has a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 11 centimeters. What is the volume of this cylinder? Well, a circular cylinder starts with the fact that you have a circle for a base and that it has a height to it. You will notice that my circle is not exactly round because I'm trying to draw that perspective that we're looking at something that's standing upright. The radius would be from the center of the top to the edge, and the height would be from the top to the bottom. To find the volume of the cylinder, we begin by finding the area of the top surface. The area for the top, because it's a circle, is pi r squared. Or in this particular case, that would be pi times 3 centimeters squared. Remembering that we need to square everything inside the parentheses, we would end up with pi times 9 square centimeters, which we would more commonly write as 9 pi square centimeters. Now to go from the area of just this top surface and to convert it to the entire volume, taking into account this particular height, we will need to multiply that top surface's area by the height. So the volume will become 9 pi square centimeters times 11 centimeters. Multiplying the things that can interact, 9 times 11 is 99, so we'll have 99 pi, and centimeters squared times centimeters will become centimeters cubed, so 99 pi cubic centimeters. It is important to recognize when we're dealing with volumes, the units will always be a cubic unit, cubic inches, cubic centimeters, whereas the units for the area will always be square inches or square centimeters, some sort of square unit. In Part B, what is the general formula for the volume of a generic circular cylinder? Well, if we begin by drawing another circular cylinder, but instead of labeling the radius as 3 centimeters or with a specific value, but instead we just call the radius r, and from that we add a certain height, and we call that height h, the volume formula for any circular cylinder is the area of the top, pi r squared, times the height h. So V equals pi r squared h.